Now we got that, Mama.
You guys are so loud. Running out of hills, this song. Oh my God, the new king. Oh my God, is this real? Oh, this is not day. Oh my God, this song is so bad. Congratulations, happy life, gang. Gang, 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 gang.
What are your must-have dishes for Thanksgiving dinner? I don't know.
Not quite.
I don't know. I'm not from here.
Sweet mashed potato. Right? Like a really good marshmallow and what is it? Candy, like candy jam. Like collard greens. I like a roasted chicken because I can't eat turkey.
Sorry. The sweet sauce you have with the turkey, the chicken.
Cranberries.
Yes, I like that.
I love cranberry. For me, I obviously like my family's Cuban, so we eat Cuban food for Thanksgiving and for just like for Christmas. So obviously like arroz con pollo, tenemos picadillo, platanitos, el flan, ya tú sabes. But everything they said too. But Cuban food, so good. Yeah. Okay, so where are we at?